In today's digital age, convenience is king, and for businesses offering services, a streamlined booking process isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. Think about it. Every time a potential client has to jump through hoops to schedule a meeting, consult, or service, there's a risk they'll simply give up and go elsewhere. You're losing business and they're left frustrated. But what if, with just a few clicks, they could see your availability, choose a service, and book an appointment, all without leaving your website? That's the magic we're unlocking today. Setmore isn't just about scheduling. It's about optimizing your time, reducing no-shows with automated reminders, and ultimately, growing your business by making it incredibly easy for people to connect with you. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why this integration is so valuable. For small businesses, freelancers, consultants, salons, coaches, and virtually anyone offering time-based services, the administrative burden of scheduling can be immense. You're juggling calls, emails, calendar conflicts, and often playing phone tag. This takes away precious time you could be spending on actually delivering your services or focusing on strategic growth. Setmore, when integrated with WordPress, essentially becomes your virtual receptionist, working 24/7, even when you're asleep, handling all those tedious scheduling tasks. It allows you to set your working hours, block out personal time, manage staff calendars, and even accept payments online, all from one centralized system. And by embedding it directly onto your WordPress site, you're providing an uninterrupted, professional user experience that keeps your clients on your platform. So, how do we make this happen? There are primarily two fantastic ways to add Setmore to your WordPress site: using a dedicated WordPress plugin or by embedding a direct booking page or button using Setmore's provided code. Each method has its own advantages, and we'll explore both so you can choose the one that best suits your needs and technical comfort level. Let's start with the Setmore WordPress plugin. This is often the simplest and most recommended method for most users, especially if you're not comfortable with code. Think of a WordPress plugin as an app for your website. It adds specific functionalities without you needing to write a single line of code. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Plugins on the left-hand sidebar, and then click Add New. In the search bar on the top right, type Setmore Appointments. You should see the official Setmore Appointments plugin appear in the search results. Click Install Now, and then, once installed, click Activate. Congratulations! You've just installed the Setmore plugin. Now, you'll see a new Setmore Appointments item in your WordPress dashboard sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to connect your Setmore account. If you don't already have one, don't worry, the plugin will guide you through the process of creating a free Setmore account. If you do, simply log in with your existing Setmore credentials. This step is crucial as it links your WordPress site to your Setmore calendar and services. Once connected, the plugin offers a few options for displaying your booking calendar. You can choose to display your entire booking page, or a specific service, or even a particular staff member's availability. The beauty of the plugin is its shortcode functionality. Shortcodes are small pieces of code, typically enclosed in square brackets, that WordPress interprets and converts into more complex functionalities. For example, to embed your full Setmore booking page on any page or post, you simply insert the shortcode Setmore_booking into the WordPress editor. That's it. If you want to embed a specific service, you might use something like Setmore_booking_service ID equals your_service_ID, where your_service_ID would be replaced with the actual ID of your service from your Setmore account. The plugin interface will help you find these IDs easily. You can also add attributes to these shortcodes to customize the appearance, like changing the button text or the calendar's default view. Experiment with the options provided by the plugin to tailor the experience to your brand. Now, what if you prefer a more manual approach, or if for some reason the plugin doesn't quite fit your needs? This is where embedding Setmore's direct booking page or button comes in handy. This method involves copying a snippet of code directly from your Setmore account and pasting it into your WordPress page or post. To do this, log into your Setmore account, not your WordPress dashboard, but your actual Setmore account on the Setmore website. Once logged in, navigate to Apps and Integrations on the left-hand menu. Then, look for the booking page or embed code option. Setmore provides various embedding options. A simple booking button, a floating button that stays on the screen as users scroll, or the full booking page itself. Let's say you want to embed a booking button. Setmore will provide you with a small HTML snippet. Copy this entire snippet. Now, head back to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want the button to appear. Instead of using the standard visual editor, you'll need to switch to the text or code editor view. In the block editor, you'd add a custom HTML block. In the classic editor, you'd switch from visual to text mode. Paste the copied Setmore code directly into this HTML block or text area. Update or publish your page, and voila! Your Setmore booking button will now appear on your WordPress site. When clicked, it will open your Setmore booking page, either in a new tab or as a pop-up, depending on the embedding option you chose. The same principle applies if you want to embed your entire booking page directly. Setmore will provide a different, slightly larger HTML snippet, usually in a frame. You'll copy that frame code and paste it into the HTML or code editor of your WordPress page or post, just like you did with the button. This will display your full Setmore booking calendar directly within your WordPress page, giving users a seamless experience without leaving your site. Adding Setmore to your WordPress site is a relatively straightforward process that can yield significant benefits for your business. It transforms your website from a static information hub into an active, 24/7 appointment-generating machine. By making it easy for your clients to book with you, you're not just improving their experience. You're actively driving more business and freeing up your valuable time. This simple integration can be a game changer, allowing you to focus on what you do best while Setmore handles the complexities of scheduling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.